In this video, you'll learn about legacy page and external form scoring in your lead scoring profile. The options available for legacy page and external form scoring can be found by clicking on the tab titled Legacy Pages and External Forms. These options will allow you to award points for submissions on forms that are hosted on your company's websites or connected to SugarMarket via the external form connector. Landing page scoring allows you to award points based on how a form question is answered. This would be used to score a specific form. Generic landing page scoring allows you to award points for a form start or a completion. Just to reiterate, both options would award points for either a SugarMarket form hosted on your website or a third-party form that's connected via the external form connector. To create a scoring rule based on answers to individual questions, click the first Add New button next to the landing page scoring. First, you'll select the name of the landing page or form in the drop-down menu. Select the dummy landing page if connected via the external form connector or the form name if a SugarMarket form hosted on your website. The form should auto-populate in the second drop-down. Next, select the field mapping for the question you'd like to evaluate. Then select the operator and add the value for the form response. Your operators include equals, is greater than or less than, is greater than or equal to, is less than or equal to, contains, begins with, or ends with. Also make sure the value matches the possible response. Next, add your score. Make sure the status is set to active and click Save. To create a scoring rule for starting or completing any SugarMarket form hosted externally or connected via the external form connector, click the second Add New button next to the generic landing page scoring. First, you're going to select your rule type. Completed allows you to assign points to anyone who has completed the form. And started allows you to assign points to anyone who has opened a page that a form is hosted on without completing or submitting the form. The rule name will auto-populate based on the selected rule type. Next, you'll need to add your score. Since this rule is for any form, you'll want to plan your score according to how many active forms you have and how likely each form submission could turn into a possible opportunity for your business. Next, you want to leave your target as any and leave the scoring summary unchecked. Just like with generic campaign scoring, checking this box could defeat the purpose of setting up a generic form rule. Next, make sure that the enabled box is checked and click Save. Once all your changes are made, don't forget to click Save at the top of your page. You may or may not have forms that are hosted on an external website or landing page, or forms that are connected via the external form connector. If all of your forms are hosted on SugarMarket landing pages, and you'd like to create scoring rules for set forms, you'll need to tune into the next video in this series to learn more about page scoring.